Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have what matters: a device and an account. Open the app and sign in with your church account so your bookmarks and settings sync. Once signed in, make sure to grant storage and camera permissions. This allows offline downloads and media access. Tap the menu, choose Settings, and set download quality if you care about space versus clarity. Start by locating a Book of Mormon or conference talk so you can follow along immediately and confirm sync is working. Now you'll locate and organize material. Use the search bar with keywords, speaker names, or exact scripture references to jump straight to relevant documents. Once you find content, tap the download icon to save it offline. Downloads are faster on Wi-Fi, so plan accordingly. Use collections and tags to group talks and scriptures. This helps you review later. Make highlights and attach notes to verses. These sync so you can pick up study on any device. Keep folders simple for quick retrieval. Finish by actively studying and sharing. Use the parallel reader and audio play to follow sermons and scripture together, and use timestamps to return to key moments. Share passages with friends through the app's share button or export notes to email for discussion. If something goes wrong, like missing downloads or sync errors, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, and ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection. These steps reset sync and recover lost downloads. Contact support only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.